Let me welcome all of you. Let me also thank all of you for having taken the pain of coming and attending this press meet here. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Thomas. I officiate as one of the directors of TUV Rayland NIFE Academy Private Limited. Along with me, I have Mr. Manoj, who officiates as our Senior Divisional Manager, Marketing. Fire safety anywhere in the world is associated with development. It is in fact an integral part of any developed economy. Normally, when the economy speaks PCC, safety regulations, safety norms, fire protection is compulsorily followed. In India, we are on a developmental path, probably since the reforms in 90s. But this area of economy, a developed infrastructure for safety and fire, has been totally neglected in India. Governments, whether it is central, state governments, private, public sector undertakings, we have not seen very big initiatives in making sure safety, fire is properly adhered to. As a result, safety curriculum, safety education in India was not properly handled for a long time. This is where you would see the importance of our company. TUV Rayland NIFE Academy, the way it is called today, was earlier known as NIFE. NIFE was started in 1992, 23 years back. That's the case which I am presenting to you today, that 23 years back, when we were talking about a diploma in safety and fire, we were the first people to offer such a program in India. Probably you would recall, in the 90s, it was more of computer education. And there was nowhere in India a curriculum in the area of fire safety. None of the universities of India was having anything to do with fire safety. We were the first people to provide this nation a much needed curriculum in the area of safety and fire. That way, we are proud today that we have paved the foundation for a much needed curriculum, which in fact is an infrastructure of the nation. Having safety norms, having safety people molded up is a basic infrastructure of any developing economy. We have paved the path in providing that. And today, anyone in India, any outfit in India, whether it is even universities, most of the universities today are talking about fire safety programs. I can proudly say They owe it to us. We hold the parentage for having started in India the fire safety education. Today we have grown from 1992 to 2015. Today we have almost 100 centers all over India. But it was a very difficult path. In 1992, to get a syllabus on fire safety, there is no role model here. There is no other university, no other education institution teaching fire safety. We had to rely mostly on abroad universities to get a curriculum, to know the kind of equipment required for practicals, to frame the textbooks. It was a tough challenge. But we had gone through the path, we had gone through the challenge, and today, undoubtedly, we remain the pioneer, we remain the brand leader in India in the area of fire safety education. Today we have 100 centers operating in almost all the states of India. We're there in West Bengal, we're there in UP, we're there in Bihar, we're there in Maharashtra, we are here in Andhra and of course now in Telangana. We have 7 centers in Telangana and Andhra put together. We are there in Vijayawada, we are there in Vizag, we are there in Guntur, we are there in Kakinada, and we are there very much with 3 centers within the city of Hyderabad. We are also there in a big way in Kerala, we are there in Tamil Nadu, we are there in Karnataka. In fact, last year, a giant from abroad, TÜV Rheinland from Germany. TÜV Rheinland is a 142-year-old giant from Germany. TÜV Rheinland is operational in around 65 countries across the world. TÜV Rheinland has a staff strength of around 18,000 people working with it. TÜV Rheinland is known for its expertise in the area of auditing, in the area of testing, in the area of certifying, in the area of classification, in the area of consultancy. Some of the major projects of the world, in some way or other, is associated with them. The Mecca Railway, our own Konkan Railway, the Delhi Metro, to name some of them. But otherwise, they test, they audit, they test and audit many of the projects, many of the processes, many of the products. TÜV Rheinland has taken over NIFE. That happened last year, and that is how the company is today known as TÜV Rheinland NIFE Academy Private Limited.